name is Astro Anshul. I am an astrologer, numerologist, and Vastu consultant. Today, I'll share with you Rahu in the 7th house. What all happens when Rahu is placed in the 7th house of a Lagan Patrika, that is your birth chart. First of all, we need to know what Rahu is. Rahu is a planet which is of obsession. How obsessive a person is towards the goals or towards the traits where the Rahu is placed. Rahu is a north node of moon. Rahu doesn't have body, so it only knows to consume whatever it sees or whatever, wherever it is placed. It always wants to have more and more because he doesn't have stomach. So his desire, or he doesn't understand where to stop. So he always wants to consume everything in his life. Rahu is a malefic planet. So Rahu also shows, by being manipulative, or since it's a malefic planet, so by deceiving anyone, Rahu always want his success in his life. Rahu always want to achieve things without bothering what others are thinking or what others' feelings are. It always wants to consume things, So it's a greed in a person's life. So what happens when Rahu comes in the 7th house? 7th house is a house which shows partnership. It shows a person's spouse. It shows a business of a person from where he is earning his livelihood. It also shows business partnership. It shows open enemies in a person's life. So what happens when Rahu comes in the 7th house? First of all, Rahu becomes very obsessive towards their life partner. The person becomes, always wants to know what their partner is doing every time. He becomes very obsessive towards their life partner, and this placement doesn't help a person to get a smooth married life. They always have a tendency of fighting or getting into argument with their spouse. This is not a good placement to have a happy married life, as Rahu here shows obsession, because of which the other person gets offended at times. So Rahu also forces a person not to remain happy with one partner, and person has a tendency to look for others, other life partners or other spouse, because Rahu doesn't let a person remain happy in one partner, because Rahu is an obsession. The person becomes obsessive. The person wants more in their life, so they become very obsessive about their life partner. They want to have more life partner in their life. They become obsessive about having other life partners and to have relations with them, but they doesn't even remain happy with them. They keep on changing their life partners, So this is a tendency of Rahu here. Rahu also, the person will marry a person, his or her spouse will be of different caste and creed, will be of different culture altogether. If a person is a Hindu, then he may get married to Christian, or the Christian can get married to a Muslim or Hindu, or in different religion. So this is how Rahu acts here. It also shows the person has some kind of deformity or some kind of mental illness. The spouse particularly, he will get married to a spouse who would have some kind of mental trauma or some kind of deformity in them. So this is what the placement gives. Here in business perspective, if we'll see what happens in business, in earnings, the person will be having huge business here, because Rahu here forces a person to develop their business. Rahu here forces a person to have more business, or to improve their business. They become very obsessive towards their business plans, their business ideas, and they keep on working harder here. The relations with their partners in the business, like partnerships, doesn't help a person to thrive here because they keep on fighting with their partnerships, with their business partnerships. their business partners doesn't go smooth with them, the relations doesn't remain very cordial, so they keep on changing their business partners also. So they need to keep one thing in mind here: if they will be working all alone, then it becomes easier for them to survive and thrive in their life. Here the they should also keep one thing in mind, that the nakshatra and the upnakshatra also plays a very important role. If a person's nakshatra or upnakshatra, that is sublord and star lord, are giving the result of 6th house and 11th house, or 10th house or 11th house, or 2nd and 11th house, then the person is bound to rise financially in their life. Okay, this is the best placement for a person to rise, but the results will be shown only when the dasha and bhukti of Rahu will be running. Then it can be easily seen in a person's life. When Rahu is placed here, Rahu aspects your 11th house, 1st house and 3rd house. So this placement also helps a person to convince others very easily, as 1st house is the house of self and 11th house is the fulfillment of desires, and 3rd house is communication. So communication becomes very strong. Plus the other advantage is the 1st house and the 11th house shows the fulfillment of desires of a person gets easily achieved, as Rahu here will help a person to get their desires fulfilled, to get their dreams fulfilled. So this is the best placement for a person who wants to thrive financially in their life, who wants to improve their life, who wants to grow and become the richest of all. Because Rahu is obsession, they will have a huge business. They are huge business tycoons who have Rahu in the 7th house. Okay, so guys, this was my observation on Rahu in the 7th house. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that I'll keep on making these videos for you. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Namaste.